Hi everyone, we're now at our first Moodle activity, which is introduce yourself. So here, week 1. Now this is my teaching view. You won't have an edit view, but you will be able to click on this and it will take you to the actual activity, which you will be able to introduce yourself. Taking time. Here we are. Okay. Then you go down. You'll need to write a few things about yourself. Within reason 3 things, within reason 2 things, and something that you're apprehensive about. Now, if you can, also take the Moodle camera icon and apply it. But first off, we add a new discussion. Mine's a bit laggy today, I've just got to wait a little bit. Okay, I'll scroll down, and here we are. So we've got a hello, and I will say this is the first combination skill set with both online and face-to-face training. Now, I can't do it because my webcam is currently busy, but what you can do is if I move this screen a little bit, do you see there's a little icon here? You can click on that icon and it will take you to here, and you must allow Moodle to use your camera. I can't do it, as I said, because I'm doing this screen capturing stuff. So you can take your picture. If I do this now, it'll just say that my camera is busy, and then you upload it and it will come up in your stream, and that would be very nice to be able to see everybody. Okay, good luck with that one. Another thing you might be interested in doing at a later stage, again, my voice is already being used, but you can record and you can say hello. Instead of typing, you can write, you can speak. Okay, take care, enjoy playing around with some of the materials here. If you have any problems, contact me. I'm just going to save this one and post to forum. Let's see if it works. Okay, take care.